Alright, this is a first glimpse at Calliope, a project I'm working on in my spare time, and I just wanted to share with you what I was working on today and what technologies I use to build that application. So Calliope is supposed to become an application for game writers to create interactive stories, and it's in a very early stage, and I'm just fooling around with different technologies and trying out some ideas. One of these technologies is Electron, which is a technology by GitHub, and it allows you to create desktop applications using web technologies. So this makes it, for different reasons, very interesting. One of the reasons certainly is that the application you're building will run everywhere where JavaScript runs, which is basically everywhere. So it's cross-platform. And I don't want to get too much into detail about Electron right now, but I will put links into the description of this video for all the technologies and things I mentioned, so you can follow up there if you're interested in learning more. Another very interesting technology I use here is the programming language Elm. You should really check it out if you're not familiar with Elm. It's a functional statically type programming language that I use to write this application. And in particular, I use the Elm package called Elm-MDL, which allows you to create these nice looking user interfaces that adhere to the Google standard Material Design Lite. So you should really check it out. It's a cool project. I like it a lot. And in particular, today I was working on this welcome screen here, where you can see I have this little header up here, and I have a card that I made look like a Polaroid a little bit to create new projects. So clicking on this card creates a new project, and let's give it a name. And the idea is to have a list of the most recent projects that one was working on. So let's create another one. And yeah, the list can grow. I don't know. And if I open a project, we will go to another view, and obviously this view is just a placeholder. I really haven't put any work into that. The idea is to have a structural view on the project that we just opened, with a list of scenes, a list of scripts, and some statistics based on the selection over here. But yeah, there's not really gotten a lot of work into that, obviously. But what I wanted to show you is the dialog tab, where I have integrated an ACE editor. So that everything here is subject to change, but currently it's an ACE editor embedded in a desktop application, which I think is really cool, using Elm and Electron. And another feature I can show you is this little hidden save button down here, just for testing purposes. I saved the state clicking on this button, and let's just navigate to, let's say, the overview back again. You have these 3 projects. I've written something in one of them. I don't even remember which one, to be honest, but let's just reload real quick, and we will end up in the tab with the content in the project we had when we were hitting the save button. So all the projects are here, and yeah, if I hit the save button here and open another project, let's open another one, and reload, then we will go back to the screen where we were hitting the save button. Okay, so yeah, that's the first overview. I will probably create some more videos if there's something worth sharing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about the project, feel free to head over to GitHub. It's really just a playground right now, so don't look too closely to the code. There are a lot of bugs and stuff to fix, but just wanted to share with you what I have so far, and I'm happy to get any feedback, and take care.